In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add assignees ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so the right person is clearly responsible for a task, helping your team move faster with less back and forth. First, open ClickUp in your browser and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Once you're in, head to your left sidebar. That's where your spaces live, the highest level that groups related work. Click on the space that contains the project or area you're working on. This keeps everything organized and ensures you're assigning tasks in the right context. Inside that space, look for the list that holds the tasks you want to manage. Lists are where tasks are actually stored and tracked, so click on the list to open it. You should now see the tasks laid out, typically with columns like task name, status, due date, and assignee. Next, choose the task you want to assign. Click the task to open its details. Opening the task makes it easy to see the full context, description, attachments, comments, and custom fields, so you're confident you're assigning the right one. Now locate the assignee field. In the task view, it's usually near the top, close to the task title, or shown as an avatar or a person icon. Click on Assignee to open the member picker. This brings up a list of people who are part of your workspace, often with a quick search at the top to help you find the right person faster. From the list, select the team member you want to be responsible for the task. As soon as you click their name, the assignment is saved. You'll typically see their avatar appear on the task, confirming the change. Behind the scenes, ClickUp will notify them based on their notification settings so they'll know they've been assigned and can take action. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you can't find someone in the picker, they may not be part of the space or the workspace yet, or your permissions might limit visibility. If you picked the wrong person, just click the assignee field again and choose the correct teammate. And remember, assigning a task isn't just a label. It clarifies ownership, streamlines communication, and helps reporting stay accurate. That's it. You went to ClickUp, opened the right space, navigated to the correct list, selected your task, clicked Assignee, and chose the team member. With that done, your task is officially assigned and ready to move forward.